Well, these are high exposure packets. So they have a respirator. Now these are N95 or above. It's N95 or P100. Those are the respirators that will give you the, P100 will give you the most protection. The N95 is the minimal protection, but it works. It filters out 95% of the particulates and whatever else. We have our gloves, 2 pairs of gloves. This is for high exposure people. We have UVX goggles that are wet proof. In other words, they're splash proof. You can't get, the virus can't get past it because it has a rubber seal. But any goggles will work as long as they're called splash proof goggles. We have Tyvek suits, 1 suit per kit. It's not enough, but it's a start. And then we have our Purell and our alcohol wipes for the masks. You have to get a couple of alcohol wipes for each mask, and that will help you disinfect the mask. And the cartridges. That's a basic kit for people. Oh, and Bear. Yeah, everybody gets Bear.